Hey guys, so today I went to Kohl's, and I know it's not summer season, but I picked up these sunglasses, and they're like, I don't know, they're purple. I love purple, and they're by Union Bay. They just have like these rhinestones on the side. Do I look good in them? They're kind of weird on me, but my mom picked them up, so yeah. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to ask 2 questions. So the first, actually three questions. So the first question is, so I have this dance on Saturday, and oh my gosh, I feel like I random. Okay, and I need to do a look for my hair, and I just need to get it done, and I have no idea what I'm going to do. So whoever tells me the idea that I like the best, I am going to give them a free MAC lipstick, and it's going to be my favorite one in the collection, which is from the Sheen Man collection, and this is in the color Budding Love, and it's just a bright, pretty pink. So whoever gives me the best one is going to win this lipstick, but not this one. I'm going to go out and buy another one, obviously, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, whoever gives me the best idea that I actually go with will win that. So another thing is, I have been looking for suggestions on what videos to do, and what tortilla, I cannot say that word, tortillas, I don't know, to do, what makeup looks to do. So if you guys have any of those you'd like to see, just comment below and let me know, because I'm new to YouTube, obviously. I only have 2 videos. This will be my 3rd, and this isn't really a video. This is just a question video. So I'm clueless on what videos to do. So if you guys could really suggest some to me, that would be amazing and great. And I thank you for all my subscribers. And also the rules for the MAC lipstick to win it, you have to be a subscriber. And yeah, that's all the rules. And just basically whoever wins and gives me the best look will win that MAC lipstick. And then I just have a little prize also, because this is my first thing on YouTube, so my first giveaway, and it's my 3rd video, but I really need to know, so that's why I'm trying to give a prize, so I get more people to comment and let me know, because I'm totally clueless. Like I said, I'm babbling on and on about how clueless I am, so that's obviously okay. So whoever gives me really good ideas for what videos to do, and somebody who puts their own creativity into it and stuff, will win. Like I said, this isn't a big haul, so, I mean a big giveaway. So the first thing they'll win, this is just stuff from the drugstore, so I apologize about that. Actually, one's not from the drugstore. Okay, so they'll win this lipstick. This is a Revlon lip butter. Yeah, and then they will also win this smoky palette from Forever 21, and I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. It just looks like this, and yeah, so this is for whoever gives me the best video suggestion. So like I said, the video suggestion thing isn't that big. Obviously it's not MAC, but I just want to reward you guys. So thank you guys, and leave your comments below.